Imagine an AI so advanced it can outperform models twice its size, yet so efficient it can run on a single GPU. Now, imagine this power is available to everyone, not just tech giants. Welcome to Gemma 2, the latest open source AI from Google, designed for unparalleled performance and accessibility. And the best part? It's available right now for developers and researchers globally. Let's dive into how Gemma 2 is set to revolutionize AI development.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Computing 101. I'm Sam, head of AI at Vehement Capital Partners, and today we are here with Marco, a Google Cloud AI expert. We're diving into something truly revolutionary, Google Gemini and its open source sibling, Gemma 2. If you're excited about the future of AI, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome content. Marco, AI has indeed made significant strides, but there are still substantial challenges. Models often struggle with understanding complex human languages, generating coherent content, and performing a variety of tasks seamlessly. This is where Google Gemini and Gemma 2 come into play, right?
Absolutely, Sam. Google Gemini and Gemma 2 are designed to address these very challenges. Gemini combines the capabilities of large language models with groundbreaking advancements in generative AI, making it a versatile tool for developers, businesses, and creatives.
Gemma 2, the open source family of models, sounds particularly exciting. Can you tell us more about what sets them apart?
Sure thing. Gemma 2 models come in sizes of 9B and 27B parameters, providing best-in-class performance and efficiency for their size. They're built on a redesigned architecture, ensuring outsized performance and unmatched efficiency. For instance, the 27B model offers competitive alternatives to models more than twice its size.
That's impressive. And how about their integration with Google Cloud?
Integration with Google Cloud means you get unparalleled performance, scalability, and security. Whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, these models can transform your operations. Imagine having an AI assistant that handles customer support, automates content creation, and even helps in product development.
What's the most exciting part about using Gemini and Gemma 2 for businesses and developers?
Here's what makes Gemma 2 truly groundbreaking. It's built on a redesigned architecture for exceptional performance and efficiency. The 27B model outperforms even models twice its size, and the 9B model leads its category. It's optimized to run efficiently on a single Google Cloud TPU, NVIDIA A100 or H100 GPU, drastically cutting costs. Plus, it delivers blazing fast inference across a range of hardware.
Whether you're using a high-end desktop or a cloud setup, Gemma 2 is designed for top-tier performance.
Another critical aspect of Gemma 2 is its commitment to responsible AI development. Google provides developers with tools like the Responsible Generative AI Toolkit and the recently open-sourced LLM comparator for in-depth evaluations. Additionally, Google is working on open-sourcing Synthedy for text watermarking. Rigorous testing ensures that Gemma 2 is safe and reliable, with comprehensive evaluations to mitigate biases and risks.
This responsible approach ensures that AI innovations are both powerful and ethically sound.
In summary, Google Gemini and Gemma 2 represent a significant leap forward in AI technology. They address many of the limitations of current AI models and offer robust, versatile solutions for a variety of applications. If you're looking to stay ahead in the AI game, these models are definitely something to keep an eye on.
Absolutely, Marco. And for those interested in getting started, what resources are available?
You can explore Google Gemini and Gemma 2 in Google AI Studio, download model weights from Kaggle and Hugging Face models, and deploy them on Vertex AI. Plus, there's the new Gemma cookbook with practical examples and recipes to guide you. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Don't forget to check out the related videos on AI on Google Cloud. Thanks for watching.